In this video, we'll go over the custom searching data point and how to add it to your query in the Query Builder Voters page. The custom search option will give you two different options. And the first will be the custom search, which will give you a complete list of all available fields for the state you have selected. And then you'll be able to query from there rather than going into each other data point. We'll start here by selecting a field. You'll see that every field that we have available within the system can be found in the custom search here. So let's go down to some of the more specific targeting options that we have, which is, let's say we select collectibles of art. When you select that, you'll see that you can determine how to add this data point to your query. You select a field, you'll have to enter the valid values for that field in the box below the drop-down and search bar. Some fields will display the valid values on the right here, such as the yes, no, or unknown options, but unfortunately not every field will include those. So let's say, for example, let's go down to the vote history options, and then I'll select the 2016 general election. And you'll see here that the valid options are not going to appear for this particular field. In the event that the valid values do not appear, you'll have to use our data dictionary tool. The data dictionary is essentially a spreadsheet that defines every field that we have in VLO, and it'll also give you a list of the valid values for the field in question. And once you enter a field, let's say I enter yes for voted in the 2016 election, you'll then be able to update your query with that. You'll see that I now have a clause in my query pertaining to that specific election. Moving on, the second option under custom searching is the breakout option. And the breakout option will allow you to see breakout counts for the fields that you have selected. All you need to do is check the boxes for the options you are interested in and then click on the Generate Breakout button. And for demonstration, I'll go ahead and select City District as well as Phone Connectivity Code. And then I'll go ahead and click that Generate Breakout button here. And then once the tool has loaded, you'll see displayed at the bottom the possible values for this field along with counts for each. And now that my breakout has generated, you'll see that these options now appear at the bottom of this window. And to add any of these fields to my query, all I need to do is just check the box next to the options that I'm interested in. So let's say I'm looking for anyone in City District 10 that has a phone number with a connectivity code of 1. All I have to do is check that box and then click the Add to Query button at the bottom here. And once you do that, you'll see that the custom searching breakout option that you specified will appear here in your query, and then you'll be good to go.